Woohoo! It is hot, hot, hot outside. How's it going, ladies and gents? This is Mark with Inside the Magic California, and today I want to go over some tricks to beat the heat at Disney California Adventure, while still trying to keep that Disney magic alive. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to any merch store or cart that you can find and get yourself one of those misting fan thingies. If you already have one from home, then go ahead and bring it for sure. But if you don't have one, then Disney has them all over the park for you. Just fill it up with water, turn on the fan, and mist away. Standing in line or being outside in general won't nearly be as bad with this item. Let's talk about the obvious way to cool off. Grizzly River Rapids. This water ride is the perfect way to cool off for at least an hour or two after you've already been on the ride. This line does fill up pretty fast for standby, so make sure you either get here early or use the lightning lane for it. Now, for some reason, not a lot of people know this, but there's a set of lockers right next to the entrance in case you don't want your phone or socks getting wet. Definitely worth it as well. It's natural for guests to just want to do things indoors when it's this hot outside, but go ahead and check out the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail. It's right next to Grizzly, and I chose this spot because of the amount of shade that the tall trees provides. It cools you off for a solid 5 to 10 degrees, and if you're a family with kids, then it's a great place for the kids to adventure through, while the parents are just able to take a breather. I have spoken about this place before, but the Animation Academy is an excellent way to beat the heat because of its variety. Now, there's so much to do in this giant, air-conditioned building that you can easily spend a solid 2 to 3 hours of Disney magic while staying cooled off. You've got the Turtle Talk with Crush, Meeting Anna and Elsa, Animation Academy, and of course, the Secret Sorcerer's Workshop. Definitely worth it. Disney has got a lot of lovely frozen treats to cool off with, but I would have to go with the Pixar Pier Frosted Parfait from Adorable Snowman Frosted Treats. It's a non-dairy lemon soft serve with a blue raspberry swirl. Yes, this treat is 100% vegan for all you vegan fans out there. Delicious and a great way to cool off. These are just some fun ways to beat the heat in Disney California Adventure. If you have any tips and tricks as well, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe for any and all things Inside the Magic. I'm Mark from Inside the Magic California. Stay cool out there, folks.